Alright, what's up guys? I'm Alex Licklater. I'm a Formula Drift Pro Spec driver. And today I'm going to be showing you how to install some extended wheel studs on any one of your drift cars. I'm going to do it here on my 350Z. The reason why I want to be able to do this is so I can run a thicker wheel spacer. So this is something I'm choosing to do, but you can do it on practically any car and it's not too bad. So let me show you what's going on here. Alright, so TDMi has hooked us up with some extended wheel studs. These are awesome. I use these on other cars too, so happy to have these. And then I just got these off of eBay. They're 25 millimeter spacers. They came with studs, but I knocked them out because when we have this on here, we'll be able to just slip it on and there will be plenty of stud length to run a lug nut still with the wheel on. So without further ado, let's go down here to the car, show you how I'm going to do this. We got Miss Aria. She's coming here to help us. She's going to help us do the install here. Oh my goodness, thank you. Okay. Alright. So, let's get in here and show you the factory length studs. They're just not long enough for when we put a wheel spacer on. You already got the TDMi struts on here, IBEX sway bar, and PowderCoatExpress angle kit. So if you're looking for an inexpensive angle kit for your 350Z, be sure to hit them up. That right, Aria? Yeah. Oh, you're gonna help me do these? You're gonna pull off the brakes first, because that's the first step. We gotta pull off the brakes. That's super easy. On this 350Z, it's just a 2 bolts, 22 millimeter. Excuse me, Floof. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Pull off the caliper. I'm gonna hang this up out of the way, slide off the rotor, and we have our studs exposed. Now the proper way to do this would be to actually remove the wheel bearing from the car and individually push out each one of these studs, but Nissan has left a little nick here, so if you line up this stud with that nick and you get yourself a nice big old hammer, this will knock right out very quickly and very easily. Now that I have the old studs out, we'll just go ahead and install the new studs. To install the new studs, you're going to use this. This is a special tool made for the stud to go through, and then you put a lug nut on and impact it on and it will pull the stud in. So I'm going to show you what that looks like here. I'm a huge anti-seize fan, for all of you who already know. So I'm just going to get a little bit of anti-seize on there to help protect the threads from constant impact and abuse throughout its life. And then you're going to go ahead and do this 4 more times. Okay, now the studs are installed on the wheel bearing. We just simply put everything back together. Okay, and now you can see that this will just slip right over. And pretty much everything I want to do is about done. We'll go ahead and use our NST lug nuts that were provided. Some blue lug nuts, which is really cool. Help make the car look pretty neat. So we'll go ahead and put the wheel on with the new lug nuts, and we'll have our spacer. And that's it. That's how you install extended wheel studs onto any hub on any car that has this style setup. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them below, and I'll see you on the next one.